Last minute call, swears it just stopped working. I show up, pop the cover, and boom, coil's mangled like someone attacked it. I'm like, yo, what happened here? He goes, I cleaned it myself, watched a YouTube video. So I ask, with what, a brush? And he says, nah, a garden rake. Figured it'd be faster. Bro, faster to destroy it, sure. Now the unit's rattling like a shopping cart, airflow's trash, and this guy wants a discount. He hits me with, come on, man, it's just a cleaning job. No, sir. It's now a fix the thing you broke job, and I don't work for free just because you decided to be HVAC Batman for a day.